In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and eBay. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start from a Google search and reach eBay's automated assistant for help with buying using clear, simple clicks all the way through. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type eBay. You'll see several results, but look for the official listing that reads eBay electronics, cars, fashion, collectibles, and more. Before you click, take a quick glance at the URL to make sure it points to the official eBay website. This helps you avoid lookalikes and ensures you land on the correct homepage. Once you're on the eBay homepage, find the Help and Contact link. It's typically located at the top of the page in the main navigation, and it's your gateway to support resources. Click Help and Contact, and you'll be taken to eBay's Help Center, where they organize assistance by topic to simplify your path. On the Help Center page, select Contact Us. This brings up the interactive support options tailored to what you need. If you're specifically looking for guidance about purchasing items, choose the topic labeled Buying. Selecting Buying helps eBay filter the next set of resources so they're directly relevant to your situation. From there, click on How Buying Works on eBay. This section focuses on the essentials of purchasing, including browsing, bidding, and checkout. It narrows the help paths and unlocks contact options designed for buyers, saving you time and reducing back and forth. Next, choose Chat with our automated assistant. This opens eBay's virtual help chat. It's available around the clock and can handle common questions quickly, like how to place a bid, how to complete a purchase, or what to do if something in your order doesn't look right. If prompted, you may be asked to sign in, so the assistant can recognize your account and tailor the help. Finally, click on the chat box to begin typing. Be as specific as you can with your question, such as how do I pay for an auction I just won, or where can I see my order's delivery estimate. Keep any sensitive information private and share only what's needed, like an order number if the assistant asks for it to locate details. That's it. You searched for eBay on Google, opened the official site, navigated to Help and Contact, selected Contact Us, chose Buying, drilled into how buying works on eBay, and started a conversation with the automated assistant using the chat box. Follow these exact clicks anytime you need quick buying support on eBay.